Good morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will look at a Leisure Arts Blue Dahlia Diamond Art Kit that I completed in February of 2021. The Blue Dahlia was $12.99 at Joann's. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the kit on Joann's site, so here's the kit on the Leisure Arts site and on the Dodology site. The round partial pattern is 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches, and the diamond painting area is 8.7 inches by 8.7 inches. With 8 diamond colors and its small size, Leisure Arts considers this a beginner pattern. The colors are matched to DMC colors. The frame is an 8-inch teak magnetic poster hanger frame I got in a 2-pack on Amazon for $7.99. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. I completed the Blue Dahlia in February of 2021. This happy blue themed pattern was a joy to work on. It was one of my first diamond paintings. I would wholeheartedly recommend it as an excellent beginner pattern. It took me several evenings to finish it. I looked forward to working on it the whole time. There is enough confetti or color changing to keep anyone interested. And because of its size, it's not overwhelming if you're just starting out. Definitely put this one on your list. If you have a masterpiece that you created, please leave a link in the comments to your YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc. site to share your beautiful work. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.